Verbs. Today we will learn about use of has or have. Has. It is used when we talk about a singular noun or pronoun. For example, Rahul, Priya, he, she, it. These are all your singular nouns or pronouns, so we use has with them. Have. It is used when we talk about plural noun or pronoun. For example, they, we, when we take two people together like Rahul and Priya. And it is also used with I. Now children, the word I is an exception. It is singular only, but we use have with it. It has a special quality. That is why we use the term have with I. For example, I have a blue pen. You is also a special pronoun, children. We use have with the pronoun you. It is singular like I, but it is a special pronoun, so we always use have with it. For example, you have a beautiful house. Look at this picture. Now let's read the sentence. Rahul has a new pencil. Now here, look at the use of has. Rahul, referring to a singular noun, so we have used has. Look at this picture now. She has a beautiful frock. Now here again, she referring to a singular pronoun, so we have used the term has with it. They have a beautiful house. Now here, there are two children if you see here, right? So we have used the word have. They have a beautiful house. David and Priya have a dog. Now here we are talking about David and Priya together. So we have used have. I have my own bags. Now I have used have with the word I. Right, children? As I told you, I is an exception. It is singular, but we use have.
Next helping verbs, that is has and have. Children, we learned that has is always used with singular nouns and pronouns, right? When we talk about only one person, place, animal or a thing, we use has. And the respective pronouns that will be used with has are he, she and it. Let's take some examples. She has a storybook. Now children, in this sentence, we are talking about whom? We are talking about one person. And how do we know that? Because of the singular pronoun that is she. It tells that we are referring to a female here. So the respective helping verb used here is has. It has two big eyes. Now again, we are talking about a thing here. And how do we know that? Because of the singular pronoun it. It shows that we are talking about a thing. And the respective helping verb used here is has. He has a big ball. Now again, singular pronoun that is he tells that we are talking about a male here. So the respective helping verb used here is has, because we are referring to only one male. Next we have the helping verb have. We use have only with plural nouns and pronouns. Now children, by plural nouns I mean when we are talking about more than one person, place, animal or a thing. And plural pronouns are we and they. We use these pronouns only when we are referring to more than one person. Now there are some exceptions like I and you. These are singular pronouns, but we use them with helping verb have. Let's see how we can use this helping verb have with the plural nouns and pronouns. I have a storybook. Now children, in this sentence the girl is talking about herself. So the pronoun used here is I. And here we come to know that she has something. And what is that? A storybook. She possesses a storybook. So the helping verb used here is have. We have just discussed that we will always use which helping verb? Have with the pronoun I. They have a cute dog. Now in this sentence, plural pronoun they tells us that we're talking about more than one person. So the helping verb used here is have. You have a cute teddy. Again, in this sentence, we are using which pronoun? You. It's a singular pronoun, but again, as an exception, it is used along with helping verb have. We have a holiday on Sunday. Children, in this sentence, the plural pronoun we tells us that we are talking about more than one person. So again, we are going to use which helping verb? Have, because we are referring to more than one person. Now children, I want you all to read these two sentences and tell me that which one is correct. The apple fall, the apple falls. Yes, you're right. The second sentence is correct. Let's discuss why. In the first one, there is a singular noun and singular verb. But if you remember, we discussed in the previous video that whenever we use a singular naming word, that means a singular noun, we always add s to the verb. So what is the noun here in the sentence? Apple. And what is the verb? Fall. So since we have a singular noun that is apple, we will add an s to the verb. So the apple falls is the correct sentence and the apple fall is incorrect. Now look at the second sentence, children. A bird sings. Now again here we have a singular noun. So we're going to add s to the verb, that is sings. A bird sings. A flower grows. Again, in this sentence, flower is a noun and grow is a verb. Since we have a singular noun here, that is flower, so we're going to add an s to the verb. So the sentence will become a flower grows.